Welcome to Patents TV Featured Solutions. I'm David Jackson with the Patents Project. Today, I'm introducing Jared Senior, who founded Spirit Club in 2013. He was working as a support counselor for individuals with disabilities in a suburb of Washington, D.C. He realized that many of the individuals with disabilities to whom he provided support and fitness goals, such as losing weight, becoming more mobile, etc., with minimal services available to help them achieve their goals. So Jared started teaching exercise classes to the individuals he worked with and soon expanded the services externally. Spirit Club offers from 1 to 5 live classes almost daily, virtual and recorded too. So without further ado, here's Jared.
Hey everyone, hey David, thank you for having me. Yes, I'm here from Spirit Club, as you can see on my t-shirt on the bottom here, if it's not blurry. Oh, it's a little blurry. Is our tagline, which says "Fitness for All," which is a really good summary of what we do at Spirit Club. We focus on creating different types of exercise and fitness and healthy lifestyle classes that are designed to be supportive and accessible for everybody. Our mission is to make a universal design for fitness, so people of all ability levels can all feel comfortable and capable of fulfilling and achieving their fitness goals. Up until the pandemic, we offered all of our services in person, and we now have a very comprehensive virtual platform so people can go online and work out from home or from wherever they are. And all these classes are designed to be supportive and accessible. Every single class is led by multiple trainers leading different versions of the exercises so each person can feel comfortable. And I am going to share with you the virtual platform so you can see what it looks like. Here on this website where people go for their online workouts, you can see here on the homepage, when you scroll down, you can very easily find the live classes that are available. So you can join in real time and work out with other people and interact with your trainer. And you could also join classes on demand, so you can work these classes into your schedule and make them fit whenever works best for you. Some of the classes that are available here include fitness, Zumba, boxing, yoga, themed classes, nutrition and healthy cooking classes. And you can learn more about all of the trainers here at the bottom of this homepage. And if we want to check out the classes in a little more detail, we can start by going to the live class page. At the very top in the menu, you can see where it says live classes. And here where you scroll down, you can join any of the live classes that are usually taught either 2 or 3 live classes daily. Today, you can see we have fitness and an interactive dance class. Tomorrow is more fitness and dance. Moving down further, there's nutrition and yoga, adventure fitness, Zumba, Spirited Sam's workout jam. All these classes are available live. You click on the join live, join this class button on the right side of the screen, and it will launch you right into the class where you could meet and interact with other people and the trainer. When you go to the on-demand library, this is where you can filter through all of the classes on the website and search for the class that's best for you. You can search by a exercise category such as fitness, yoga, Zumba, and so on. You could also filter based off of your favorite trainer, different accessibility accommodations like classes with enhanced verbal descriptions or captions or a supporter on screen assisting a participant. So a family member or a staff member could know how to best support the person who they are working out with. Challenge level, duration of the classes, all of these filters are available for you. And what's very unique about these classes is the way that they're taught. If you click on any of the classes, you will see that they all offer different versions of the exercises available on screen. So in this video, as an example, I'm on the top left teaching the baseline version of the exercises. David is on the bottom teaching everything from a seated position, and Gabby's on the top right leading an advanced version. So you can join this class, you can do it with other people, you can do it with your family or your friends. You may all be at different fitness levels, and you may want to do the class different from each other. And with this format, you will have the option to follow along with the exercises in the way that best meets your needs. So here doing the chair squat on the top left, I'm standing up out of my chair and sitting back down. On the bottom, David's doing the same exercise from his chair. So instead of standing, he's reaching up. And instead of sitting, he's reaching down. And Gabby on the top right is going a little faster than me, doing a chair squat and a shoulder press. By having these different modifications and variations of how to do the exercises, these classes can be shared with groups, and it allows each person from home to be able to join any class and find a trainer on screen who they feel connected to and who they find to be at the appropriate fitness level for them. So these classes are all here available for you. And the best part about the classes is to join, you are able to do so on a pay what you can model, which means you come to our website, you say that you want to join, and a box will pop up that allows you to pick the price that you're comfortable paying on a monthly basis for unlimited access to all of the live classes, all of the on-demand classes, all at a cost that is up to you. So you choose your price to make sure that it fits your budget, and you get to enjoy all of the classes on the website. And we'd love to meet you. We'd love to have you join us. Exercise is more fun with friends, and we see Spirit Club as one big family where we get to participate together. So come check us out. We'd love to meet you, introduce you to the platform, and do everything we can to support you along your fitness journey. Thank you so much for learning about Spirit Club, and we look forward to meeting you soon.
Wow, Jared, that's awesome. I looked at your website and I thought I learned a lot. I did learn a lot about Spirit Club, but I learned so much more just by listening to your video. That's deep. That's awesome. Love it. Thank you for your time today. And so
Awesome. Thanks for having
I
me.
would like to let everybody know that you can request additional information by emailing Spirit Club at join@spiritclub.com. That's spelled JOIN at SPIRIT-club.com. Or you can give them a call at 301-933-3722. The Patents Project also provides accessible formats, for example, large print, EPUB, audio, and more through the Indiana Center for Accessible Materials for students who qualify with a print disability.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this Patents TV video. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and at patentsproject.org. That's PATINS project.org. Thanks for watching.